Why the 2026 Rivian R1S replaces your luxury SUV for daily utility. Luxury SUVs used to follow one formula. Big engine, soft leather, quiet cabin, heavy body, expensive badge. And for years, that was enough. But in 2026, something changed. Because now, one vehicle is quietly challenging everything traditional luxury SUVs have represented for decades. This is the 2026 Rivian R1S. And it may be the smartest reason to replace your old-school luxury SUV forever. At first glance, it doesn't scream for attention. No oversized grille. No unnecessary chrome. No aggressive drama. Instead, it delivers something far more premium: confidence. Clean design. Intelligent packaging. Brutal performance. Daily practicality. Real off-road capability. And once you understand what this machine can do, the old definition of luxury starts to feel outdated. Today, we're going deep into why the 2026 Rivian R1S doesn't just compete with traditional luxury SUVs, it may outclass them completely. Because true luxury in 2026 is no longer about excess. It's about how effortlessly a vehicle improves your life. Let's begin with ride quality. Most luxury SUVs chase comfort with weight, soft tuning, and isolation. They float nicely until roads get rough, corners tighten, or weather turns ugly. The Rivian R1S takes a smarter path. Its advanced air suspension system constantly adapts ride height, damping behavior, and body control depending on speed, terrain, and driver demand. That means smooth city cruising in the morning, confident highway stability in the afternoon, and trail-ready clearance by the weekend. One vehicle. Multiple personalities. No compromise. That's modern premium engineering. Because the best systems don't ask you to choose comfort or capability. They give you both. Then we talk powertrain. Traditional luxury SUVs often rely on turbocharged engines and complicated transmissions to feel fast. The Rivian R1S simply delivers instant force. Its tri-motor setup transforms this family-sized SUV into something shockingly quick. And that changes daily driving more than many people expect. You stop planning passes. You stop thinking about power reserves. You simply move. That seamless feeling is addictive. And unlike many performance SUVs, Rivian uses that power intelligently. With multiple motors managing torque distribution in real time, traction becomes exceptional in rain, snow, gravel, mud, and loose terrain. This isn't speed for headlines. It's performance that makes every day easier. Now let's talk practicality, where many luxury SUVs surprisingly fail. Some offer beautiful interiors but awkward cargo space. Others prioritize image over usability.